very important day today because it's Ariana Grande's 30th birthday. So happy birthday, Ariana Grande. I'm going to take you guys with me, so I think I'm going to bring this bag with me. It's so cute. Look how adorable that is. Look who's just come off their holiday. So me and Simon are actually off strawberry picking today. We are going out in a little bit. I thought I'd vlog this little day because I haven't been strawberry picking in a very long time, and I swear me and my nonna and grandpa used to do it when I was little, so I'm going to relive some childhood memories, which is going to be really cute. So come along with me, guys. Let's go pick some strawberries out. I'm gonna fill up my basket and then I will show you my progress. So many people here, like look how many people there are. I need to get the best strawberries, quick! Update, this is what we're looking like. So many people here, just picking their strawberries. Dinner time now. I have ordered myself a full English breakfast and I'm just going to have a bottle of water because it's a hot day. Today's a short day. We went obviously strawberry picking today and it was so much fun, and I can't wait to have them when I get home. I need to wash them first and stuff obviously. Tonight I've got work and then tomorrow night I've got my last night shift, so then I shall have 5 days off and I can I'm now putting on Charlie's Angels because I've never seen that film before. I feel like I want to watch some old classics that like people have always watched and I haven't. Do you know what I mean? And then after, I think I want to watch Notting Hill, which has got Julia Roberts in, so I'm gonna watch that after. I think I did want to watch Notting Hill now, but then Charlie's Angels popped up and I was thinking about this film the other day and how I've not seen it before. I just think that I'll have like a little movie marathon. I literally never have them. I've decided on Notting Hill instead. I've just seen this little notebook and it gives me Coraline vibes. It's so cute. So I just got finished at the dentist, just going shopping for a little bit, see what I can find. Yeah, it's very quiet in here. I'm now in the vintage shop. I'm absolutely in love with this little light. In fact, it's pretty big. It's £60 though, but it's absolutely gorgeous. On there as well, but I prefer that. Still after one of these big cases as well, which is, this is probably the best place to come and get them, but I just can't find one the right size. That's really pretty as well. Oh my gosh, look at these. 1950s book bundle, £3. What does it say on there? Oh my gosh, look at the Harrods bear. Wow. Look at all these gorgeous earrings as well. They are so pretty. Look at that. Oh, they're really nice.
Okay. The double Big Mac is back at McDonald's. Get the keys for a limited time. Don't miss it. Availability versus affecting restaurants only.
Look at these temporary tattoos. I really want to get this one. Look how cute that is. A little toadstool. Also, they've got a sticker of it as well. Oh, I really like him. Turn round. Paw. Other paw. Touch. Good girl. I think I've decided that I want to dye my hair back brown again. I don't know. My hair's pretty light at the moment, so I think I want to dye it back brown again. I don't know. There's one specific hair dye that is my go-to and I always use that one, so I actually saw it today but I just didn't pick it up. I don't know, not sure what to do just yet. I am going out for a work meal at 6 o'clock, so I think I'm just gonna chill for a little bit, maybe edit this vlog. But yeah, when I was in the dentist, I was having a moment in the waiting room, and there was like this schoolgirl with her mum, and I was like, when did that stop being me? Like where's my mum? Like, it just felt like it's always been obviously like your mum or your dad taking you to the dentist. Always my mum that took me to the dentist for like a checkup or whatever. Even braces, I remember getting braces. Now I just sat there and I was like, why am I alone? Felt like I should have been the one that was there with my mum. Like, it just made me feel like, wow, taking the next step in life, even though I'm 24 years old and I've probably gone by myself a handful of times now. But yeah, it was just one of them things where it makes me sad how I'm growing up. I'm just gonna go and edit for a little bit and I shall catch you in a little while. Sign off for this vlog now. I just got some really exciting news. I'm going to keep it a secret for now, but yeah, just know that it's exciting. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell notification to be notified every time I upload a new video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys.